Today we're talking about parallel lines and how to write an equation for a line that is parallel to another line. So the most important thing for you to know about parallel lines is they have the same slope. They'll have a different y-intercept, but they will still have the same slope. So we will be given an equation to a line, and we'll need to figure out what the slope is to figure out what's going to be the slope of the new line that is parallel to the line that's given to us. And the first two problems, we're going to put these in slope-intercept form. So remember, that's y equals mx plus b. So if I look at this, it says my new line is going to pass through negative 3, 5, and it's parallel to y equals 2x minus 4. So if parallel lines have the same slope, I know my slope is going to be 2. So since they want it in slope-intercept form, I'm going to go ahead and start in slope-intercept form. I know that my y value is 5, my m was 2, my x was negative 3, and I don't know b. So 2 times negative 3 is negative 6. And then to figure out what b is, add 6 to both sides. So we get b is equal to 11. So when I go to write my final equation, again, we're going to write it like this. So your slope was 2, so 2x, and your slope, or your y-intercept was 11. So the equation for the line that's parallel to the given equation is y equals 2x plus 11. Okay, number 2, very similar. If it's going to be parallel, I know my slope is going to be the same, so it's 1/4. So using y equals mx plus b. Your y was negative 1, your slope was 1/4, your x was 4, and we don't know b. 1/4 times 4 is 1. Subtract 1 from both sides to get b equals negative 2. So your final equation would be y equals 1/4 x minus 2. Okay, moving down, we just have two more examples. We're going to be looking at putting it in point slope form. So as a reminder, point slope form looks like y minus y1 equals m times x minus x1, where we are only going to replace the y1, the m, and the x1. So if I look at number 3, I know my slope is going to be the same, so my slope is 1/2. So when I plug my numbers, I get y minus my y value, which is negative 2, equals your slope 1/2 times x minus your x value, which was 4. Now, as a reminder, since we want it to stay in point slope form, the only simplifying we're going to do is if you have a double negative. So this can also be written as y plus 2 equals 1/2 x minus 4. So that is your final answer in point slope form. Then number 4, slope is again 1/2. So y minus your y value equals your slope times x minus your x value. So just a little bit of simplifying to get a final answer of y minus 2 equals 1/2 times x plus 1. So pay attention to what form they say to put it in. I believe on your homework it's all in slope intercept, so it's just like the first two questions. If you have any questions, please let me know.